Hi, so today me and this little stinker, we are gonna be unboxing the Philips L'OR or LOR, I don't know, coffee machine. So I haven't opened it yet at all, so we will be doing that together. Hopefully we will be doing that if she lets me do that. Okay, lovely. It's a big box. As far as I understand, it has the dual capsule system. So you can use like smaller capsules, and then also you can use a larger one. And the system should recognize it automatically. Let me just check her off. Otherwise, she chooses the box. She chooses the box. So let's see, what is there? Ooh, there's a tasting box. That's lovely. So it's a L'OR barista tasting box with a few options and an additional 20 euro or dollar voucher and a various lovely coffee. So as you can see, there are two size capsules available, so the large one and the small. Yet I have to check what is the difference. I assume it's the size, but it's only my assumption. Okay, then we have some instructions, some warranty things. Oh, there's a plenty of vouchers, discount. Oh, I love that actually. So it's valid in UK, in Ireland. Okay, and then also in somewhere else, which doesn't matter. So some papers. Okay, let's move on. Cardboard, cardboard, cardboard. There's something for my puppy to be busy. And then, you know what we have in the box? A smaller white box. And ta-da! Drum roll. We have, I think it's a milk frother. And yes, it's a milk frother. It's actually a good size, really good size. So if you press for 1 second, it froths the milk and makes it warm. If you press for 3 seconds, then it froths and keeps it cold. And it is really a good size, but there is still a line, the maximum line, which is really, really low. I wonder why is that? So here's the frothy thing. I know that's, oh, it's different mechanism. In espresso, there is kind of a thing that you attach to the bottom, so it swirls from the bottom here. The frothy thing is attached to lid, which actually is not too bad because I'm always scared to lose that. And yeah, of course there's the thing. I don't know, this one was inside. What is that? That's, I don't know. We'll see. But that was in this back box. Okay, let me just check something back. While my puppy's busy. Oh, she's coming for the white box. Then there is the machine itself. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this beauty. Oh, look at this. It actually makes two cups. I don't know yet if you need to put 2 capsules and where everything opens. I'm yet to try that. I just know that the water container is 1 liter, which is a good size. There's a serial number, so to register. I'm actually a little bit scared to open it. I don't know yet how to open it, but here it is. Here's the cable, and here on the side is where you put the frother. So it's really great that the frother is integrated, because again, with Nespresso, there are a lot of models, at least the ones that are on the more affordable size, where the frother comes separately. So you need to have 2 electrical plugs available, which is a nightmare. Here, I do wish the cable was longer, just because we don't have too much space. We have like a small island, and then we've built extension lead, but I hope that it will fit. So yeah, here it is, and while I was juggling, this thing fell off. Oh, it's not so easy to do all this stuff while holding the box and trying to make it look, oh, there it is, appealing. So this is actually Philips machine, but it's some sort of collaboration, I guess, with a L'OR. I don't know how to pronounce it, but what I'll do, I'll test it over the next few weeks, and I'll let you know my verdict. See you soon.